This is the start of our canoeing vlog, but it's not even a day yet. Yep, everyone say hi to Sarah. Justice for Sarah 2024. It's gonna take a meeting. We got a meeting. Hi everyone.
What up? This is Ebony Kwee, Star Basketball Team. How do you feel about this trip?
So good.
Is that cool? Hey guys, we're back. We're having a meeting. Hi. She hasn't been in the vlog yet. This is already the canoe vlog. We're starting early.
Oh,
we're starting early.
Guys, we're 4 days early.
Yeah, we're 4 days early. That's how good the vlogs are getting now. Today, we are going on a canoeing trip, as you probably saw from the first part of the video. So, should be fun. It's in Fort Langley. Yeah. I'll see you there. Going to pick up the cash. Okay guys, we are ready. I see our class. Woo, we are ready to get canoeing. Y'all, this is Sarah. We ignored her in the last vlog, but we're making up for it. So leave the Sarah appreciation in the comments down below. Beautiful morning here in Fort Langley.
What up? It's Danica and Sarah and Elise and Gala and Izzy and Britt and Ryan and Kiana. Hi, Becky. We're ready for crazy canoeing trips. Where's Joshua? There. Take it easy.
I am here right now with Danica's cousin. Say something. Backflip, 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 backflip. Here with the biggest fan of the Beckinators. He's the biggest Beckinator out there beside Danica.
Of course.
Recuperate.
Not really.
Okay.
Ready? Fake laugh. We're gonna pretend to fake laugh right now. Fake laugh. Fake laugh.
That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me.
We're going into the ominous canoe shed. A life vest on. Stead, comment for the vlog. Comment. Hi.
Good morning, Rebecca.
Hi, good morning. How are you? Yeah?
So excited.
Yeah. That's
This
her.
is stupid.
Say hi. Hey. Bianca Kiwi. Can I get a comment from Bianca Kiwi?
My dad's a pro paddling.
Yep, it's in her blood. Hey guys, we just got the best group in the entire thing. What up? What up? We're gonna probably win. I don't think it's a competition, but if it was, we already won.
Yeah, we're too fast.
So we have to go like 3, 2, 1, 3 because that's our group. Okay. Wait, 2, get your hand in. Okay. 3, 2, 1, 3. Threes, drop the threes. Yo, 3.
About 3 feet.
Where'd you catch it? Where'd you catch it?
Up in Lillooet many years ago.
You didn't catch it here?
Same river, different waters.
He might look white, but he is.
Half breed.
Yeah, we are in no rush. 3, 2. Yeah, group 3, ready? Yeah! Yeah, Beckinators. Come on. Oh. Whipping Danica's cousin right now? Do a backflip for us.
It's kind of hard.
Yeah, here's no balls. Do it right now.
Yeah, you won't.
Yeah.
I don't speak cranberry lady.
What up, vlog? We have not drowned yet. Ready for your monologue? Okay.
Comments on every one of my papers.
We are eating lunch. Subscribe like Carter. Hey guys! There's water Carter's fault, so it's Carter! It's Carter.
Touching me.
Touching you, sweet Caroline. Ba, ba, ba.
It's a very long trip back.
Monologue.
I'll tell you this, the boat can only go as fast as its slowest paddler.
That's so
And
true.
that's a metaphor for life right there. Now thankfully for us, we got a little bit better and better as it went along, and it's not about the speed, it's about the journey. And eventually you'll get to where you want to go.
Wow. Hey guys.
We came last. We're really bad at paddling.
But what did we win? Get in here, Kate and Kenna.
New best friend.
So it might have not. We might have got last, but we made good memories.
Yes.
That will last a lifetime.
He's not looking at us.
Easy, Joshua.
The opposite. Wait, is Joshua even here?
No, he's sick. He's sick today, guys. Not
Joshua doesn't watch my videos, but if you do, comment
down below.
Hey guys, this is the end of the canoeing vlog, and it has been real. The way back was so fun. Way back was fire. No,
We sang songs.
we sang songs.
We tried. Hi, Beckonators, we love you. Hi, Beckonators. We love Beckonators. Beckonators, yeah, we love you.
Nobody is liable for any deaths, especially this guy. If I die, I will not die. But if I die, I am liable for my own death.
Okay, what are you doing here?
I'm gonna swim all the way to there, and then all the way back. I can do that. I'm gonna be so cold.
No one's forcing you to do this.
Okay, I'll catch you. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god! Go! Look at them running on the bridge. Oh my god!
No, I can't watch.
Don't see that. It's
Going all the way.
Griffin, turn around. Griffin, turn around. You're already tired. Okay, I told you.
Swim all the way across. Hey guys, we are with the legend, Griffin Cassie. How are you feeling?
Let's go get
Really cold.
Yeah, let's go to Saddle.
I think I'm gonna get some warm drink.
You won't do nothing.